Hello, in this explain that this tutorial on how to do and enable auto scroll on TikTok on Android. So let's get started. So first up, open up your TikTok and be sure to be logged in. Otherwise, whenever you see a videos like this one, just hold it out, tap and hold anywhere, and you'll be able to see the auto scroll there on the fourth button. Tap on it and it will automatically do it for you. Just make sure that it's not live or any type of special videos on TikTok, just a normal plain old video. You can also manually disable it by turning off at the below the search icon, but you can also enable it and clear out the clean look for the clean UI. So set that aside, you can turn it both on. That's how advanced TikTok is right now. So that's about it. Just explain that, and that's how to enable auto scroll on TikTok on Android.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.